going to solve activity 8.16, in which you have been asked to write an algorithm in pseudocode form. You should write a function which should have a parameter, and it should convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And in the end, we will test our program by writing it in our chosen programming language, that is Python. As you can see that the pseudocode for converting temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius is already given in your book. This is given on page number 324 of your book. We are going to change this pseudocode so that the temperature can be converted from Celsius to Fahrenheit, because the requirement of our activity 8.16 is to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. I have written this pseudocode over here. You can see that we will declare a function. The name of this function will be Fahrenheit, and it will accept temperature in Celsius form. It will accept Celsius temperature, which can be in real form, that is in points form, and it will return Fahrenheit temperature, so which will also be in real form, that is in points form. And the formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is this: temperature into 1.8 plus 32, and this will be returned by this function, and this will end the function. This was the pseudocode. Now let's try this program in Python. We will define our program, and this time the name of our program is, because the program that is given in your book is about converting to Celsius, but we are converting the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, so the name of our program will be Fahrenheit, and it will take temperature in Celsius form, and it will return a value which will be temperature multiplied by 1.8 plus 32. Now let's see how this program works. I'm calling this program, and I am passing any Celsius temperature. Suppose I am passing the value of 30 in Celsius form, and it will return a value of 86, which will be in Fahrenheit form. Let us check it through a temperature converter. I am giving a temperature of 30 in Celsius form. Let us see if its equivalent value is 86 in Fahrenheit form or not. Yes, it is 86. So our program is working properly. Thank you.